The brilliant, bouncy adventure of letter B, brilliant. I feel so bouncy today. B packs a banana. Banana, check. Blue backpack, check. Time for a big adventure. B is for bear. Hello, B. Guess what? My name starts with B2, bear. You're brilliant. Come with me! B is for B. B, Z, Z. Hi, B. I'm a bee. I start with B as well. Buzz right along with us. B. B is for butterfly. Hello, beautiful friend. I'm Butterfly. Another bee buddy. You're so bright and beautiful. Butterfly. B is for bunny. B-O-N. B. I'm bunny. I bounce with B. You're the bounciest of all. Bunny. B is for buffalo. Hello, friends. I'm Buffalo. I start with B2. Wow. So many brilliant bee animals. B is brilliant. I'm the second letter of the alphabet, and I start so many brilliant names. B is brilliant. B is bouncy. B is the best, the brilliant bee adventure. Whenever you say the letter B, remember our brilliant, bouncy adventure.